Who likes themselves a sexy first layer? Let me give you a little more light for this. See how nice this is. Oh yeah. No ridges. Nice and smooth. And the size of the entire bed. That's where it jumped from here to here. So that's actually plastic underneath. Look at that. That really is amazing. That was nice and easy with these new Ultimate leveling knobs. Very, very, you can see the shadow of the stuff I've printed. There's these 5 here, look like Olympic rings. Those are the quarter counters. So that is these things. And you can see the outline of the Ultimate knob there too. Huh. Cool. Oh man, look how smooth that is. And it feels smooth too. Almost no ridging whatsoever. It's almost glass smooth. All the way down. Very, very nice.